Blessed be everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about how you can use Lapis Lazuli. But before we dive into that topic, hi, I'm Sandra from mysterywitchschool.com. If you're new to the channel and you want to know more about Wicca and witchcraft, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos. I've just released my first book called Crafting Your Wiccan Path. So if you want to connect to nature, spirit and magic through the practices of witchcraft, take a look at the link below this video. So Lapis Lazuli is an absolutely beautiful stone. It's been used for medicine, for rituals, for jewelry, for art, very popular with the ancient Egyptians, the Babylonians, and the Sumerians. Used for protection a lot of the time, but also to help open up your third eye chakra and your throat chakra. So when it comes to your third eye chakra, it's about you being the visionary. How are you the visionary in your life? How do you see your life unfolding? What is it that you want for your life? Our upbringing in our very materialistic, scientific world has been very much about distracting us away from what it is we really want for ourselves and for our lives. We're told what we should want, without us really understanding how to find out what it is we really do want and what we really came here to do. And so life around us is full of distractions. There's all sorts of things to distract us. And now, more than ever, it's important for us to focus in on what it is that we want for our lives. What is our vision for ourselves? And working our magic to focus on what it is that we want in our lives for ourselves. What world are we creating? How are we creating our world? Because there's a lot going on that's very distracting at the moment, and deliberately so. It's time to come home to who and what we really are and creating what it is that we really want to create for ourselves. And to do that, we need to be aware of what these things are. So our third eye chakra will help open us up to our intuition, to our inner power. It helps us see the truth. So the truth within ourselves, but also the truth about the world around us. What is it out there that we're perceiving? How are we perceiving? How limited is our perception right now? Working with the third eye chakra will help broaden your perception so you start to see things differently in the world. You can start to see auras, you can start to see energy more clearly. You can start to see how the world isn't as solid as we think it is. And of course, that self-knowledge is so important for the path. Knowing ourselves and seeing the world as it really is probably the most important aspect of witchcraft. That inner work that we do on ourselves and that inner life that we're creating is more important than any spells to try and manipulate the outside world, because it all starts with our inner world. When our inner world changes, the outer world changes too. Now, when it comes to the throat chakra, your creative expression, being able to speak your truth, speak your visions, it connects both of these chakras together so that you have the ability to create what it is that you have the vision for. Great to wear when you're doing spell work, particularly if you're using chanting or a lot of voice in your spell work. Lapis Lazuli can just help amplify the vibration of your voice when you're doing your spell work. Today, what we're going to do is use it to help you open up your third eye chakra particularly and connect you with the energies of the stone itself. Now, you can use a tumbled stone for this. You could use a sphere. You can use a point like I've got here. It doesn't matter for this meditation what form your lapis lazuli is in. It's connecting to the energy of it that's important. If you have a tumbled stone, or a small tumbled stone preferably, you can place it on your third eye for this meditation. If you're going to lie down, make sure that your knees are bent so that you're not going to fall asleep. Otherwise, holding your lapis in your left hand, your receptive hand, if you are left-handed and you find that your right hand is the receptive hand for you, then place it in your right hand. And I'm just going to guide you through a very simple meditation that you can do. You can spend as long as you like in this meditation, but I'm just going to guide you to the beginning of it so that will get you started. So make sure that you're comfortable, whether you're sitting on a chair, sitting cross-legged on the floor, or you're lying down. Just feeling the weight of whatever it is that you're sitting on, the weight of the earth beneath you. Feeling the support beneath you. And then just taking a nice deep breath in. And letting it out. And as you let it out, just feeling your body just relaxing like it's melting. Taking another deep breath in. And just feeling your body relaxing and melting, melting, melting. Taking a deep breath in. And feeling your body melting and relaxing. Tuning into your body right now. Any sensations, any tension in your body. You're not trying to change anything, just observing it. Just knowing that it's there. And then taking your awareness to the weight of the stone. Either the weight of the stone on your forehead or in the palm of your hand. And just tuning in to the stone itself. If you're visual, you may see the stone in your mind's eye. If you're more kinesthetic, then just feeling it. Imagine it vibrating in the palm of your hand. And the waves of the vibration are resonating with your body. You may feel the energy going up through your palms, through your arms, into your body, so that your whole body is vibrating and tuning into the energy of the stone. And then just bring your focus to your third eye. And as you bring your focus to this chakra, just feel it. And then just allow yourself to relax into the energy that you're feeling. When your eyes are closed, you may see colors, you may see shapes. Just allow them to be there. You may get some thoughts, you may get some sensations. You may hear things. And if you have a particular question, such as, what do I really want? Or which is the best way forward for me in this situation, whatever your situation is, just quietly ask yourself that question. And just allow your thoughts, your feelings, and your sensations to guide you. Always bringing the mind home in the palm of your hand or on your forehead. And then bringing your focus to any information that you are receiving through your mind's eye. And any time that you find that your mind is wandering away from the task, which it will do, just bring it back to the sensation of the stone and then to your third eye. And you can take as long as you need to take just doing this exercise. Now, when you first start doing this, you may not get anything. You may just see color, or your thoughts may just want to wander all over the place. You may get distracted by what's going on outside around you. That's perfectly fine. Just keep bringing the mind back to the weight of the stone and then what you're experiencing as a result of that. Focusing on the sensation of that third eye chakra in the middle of your forehead there is also very, very helpful to centering and focusing your attention on the one thing. Now, when you do this meditation, you may get images, you may get thoughts, you may get downloads, or you may not get them during the meditation session. You may get them later on. So you may be having a shower, or you may be out walking, or you may be talking to somebody on the phone, and bang, you get some inspiration, or you get some insight, or you get a vision. It can happen at any time. So if you are meditating and you don't get a lot of results through the actual time that you're meditating, don't worry, they will come elsewhere. It just depends on you and how experienced you are doing this kind of work. If you do this meditation for even just 5 minutes every day, it's a really beautiful way of not only grounding yourself, but also helping you connect to who and what you truly are. Because we aren't what we've been told we are, and the world isn't as we've been told it is. And we only have to look to quantum physics and quantum science to see how different the world is to how we've been led to believe it is. So enjoy your time with your lapis lazuli. And if you want to start your witchcraft practice, but you don't know where to start, because it is confusing to know where to start and then what to do along the way to keep progressing, have a look at my free video called How to Start Your Witchcraft Practice. The link to that is in the description field below this video. If you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm Sandra from mysterywitchschool.com. Blessed be.